All right, we're on to number 28. This is the Algebra 2 2012 exam in the Pacific High School Math Competition. Number 28 is, for how many values of a is it true that the line y equals x plus a passes through the vertex of the parabola y equals x squared plus a squared? All right, there are some key things to note in this problem. They're asking us for how many values of a, not necessarily to find all a, for how many values of a is it true that this line y equals x plus a passes through the vertex of the parabola y equals x squared plus a squared. Now, the vertex of a parabola is simply, I'll draw two of your traditional Algebra 2 parabolas. Your vertices are the maximum y value for your negative parabolas, or whenever there's a negative coefficient on the x squared term, you get an upside down parabola, and whenever there's a positive coefficient on the x squared term, you get one that looks like this. And these are your vertices, these teal dots. For an upside down one, it's the maximum y value. For a right side up one, it's the minimum y value. Okay, so let's find what the vertex of y equals x squared plus a squared is. Well, to me, this seems like a very standard parabola. In fact, it's one of the most standard. The first parabola you probably learned about in Algebra 2 is y equals x squared, which looks like this. You get the vertex at 0, and then you just move up like that. But this one, y equals x squared plus a squared, is just simply the same thing, but moved up by all values by a squared. Because a squared is your minimum value. When x is 0, y equals a squared, and when x is non-zero, y is a higher value. And consequently, we have found our vertex to this parabola here, which is 0, a squared. Let me write that down fully. Vertex of y equals x squared plus a squared is 0, a squared. And over here, tying back to the main question, for how many values of a is it true that the line y equals x plus a passes through this vertex? So we can only pass through a vertex, a point, when both its x and y are the same value. That's what it means to pass through a point, when you share the same coordinates at that same point. So we have y equals x plus a when, or for how many values of a, this is the main question, does this coincide with this? So let's substitute. This is now a squared equals 0 plus a, and that's just a squared equals a. Now, the answer might jump out at you over here. You're thinking, okay, what real numbers squared to themselves are that same number? It's 0 and 1, but we can prove it using the quadratic formula, and we're going to do that just to be thorough and as clear as possible. So now you have a squared minus a equals 0. Let's use the quadratic formula. A equals 1. this is funny because in the formula it's like negative b plus or minus b squared, or the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, but we have to use these. We're already working with a's, so it's funny. Yeah, this is gonna be hairy. This is gonna be 1 plus or minus negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac. Oh god. This looks like a monster. Oof. You know what? We're just going to we're going to, if you want to compute this and you want to finish it, by all means, but I'm more than happy with saying, hey, when does a squared equal a? That's when a is 0 or a is 1. And the question asks us for how many values of a. Is it true? That would put our final answer as 2, which is actually answer choice C, and it's the correct answer.